In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load and preview XR files in Nuke. EXR files are a visual effects standard because they hold high dynamic range and multiple channels in one package. In Nuke, you bring them in with a red node, which is the building block for importing media. With Nuke active, press R on your keyboard or go to Image, then Read. Both options open the file browser. The shortcut is faster, but the menu path is always there if you prefer to click. If R doesn't do anything, make sure Nuke is the active app and the node graph has focus. In the file browser, navigate to your footage and choose the .exr file you want. If you're loading a sequence, select only the first frame. Nuke will detect the numbered pattern like file name, .exr, and automatically link the full range. You'll usually see that range indicated in the dialog, which confirms the sequence is recognized. This way you don't have to pick each frame manually. Click Open. Nuke creates a read node with the EXR loaded and places it in the node graph. The node label shows the file path and its properties include the frame range and color data. That read node is now the source of your comp, carrying any layers stored in the EXR, such as beauty, diffuse, specular, or depth. To preview it, connect the read node to a viewer. Select the read node and press 1 to send it to viewer 1, or press 2 for viewer 2. You'll see the image update in the viewer at the current frame, confirming the file path and sequence are working. If the image looks a bit flat, remember XRs are typically linear. Nuke's viewer LUT handles the display transform, so it looks correct on screen, and that's all you need. You pressed R or used image, read, selected your .xr or the first frame of a sequence, clicked open to create the read node, and connected it to a viewer to check the result. With that, you have a clean, repeatable process for loading and previewing EXR.